Any mention?
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 17.
Item number?
17. 17, Your Lordship. Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks' time.
Premier by the appellant. This is matter of the 3 weeks.
Mr. Blanche, Lordship.
Supplementary list, item number 1.
May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the counter affidavit on the part of the private respondents, being respondents 4 to 12, is yet to be filed.
Yes, who's appearing?
Your Lordship, I'm appearing for respondent number 4 to 12. Your Lordship, there is some new development as we have to modify the affidavit. We prayed for 2 weeks still.
Your Lordship, if I may humbly submit, it's been several occasions that respondents have been praying for time to file their counter affidavit. Lordship, even on the previous occasion, I have made a prayer to pass necessary orders before this Honorable Court.
But for adjudication of the matter,
Yes, Your Lordship.
pleadings has to be complete. Without giving them an opportunity to file their counter, then it becomes a problem. We'll allow them some more time.
Lordship, let this be the last chance.
How would it, how would delay prejudice you? Tell me.
Lordship, there's an urgency in the matter, being that he is the former same of the HIMA, wherein he has been removed from his office, and the very fact on the grounds of
He
his
may have been removed. Was any acting CM appointed in his place?
Yes, Your Lordship.
So, as far as the affairs of the CM chief is concerned, it will not affect. It will not affect his functioning.
I'll leave it to the discretion of this Honorable Court, Your Lordship.
We'll give them some time,
I will.
but do it. Otherwise, your opportunity will be closed. Mr. Legal Counsel for the respondent 4 to 12 has once again sought for some more time to file the counter affidavit on the ground that the same has not been, the same could not be prepared today. Mr. Sangwa, you have filed yours?
Yes.
You have only filed?
1, 2, and 3 police counts we have filed.
Accordingly as prayed for. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Have a good day.
So item of Mr. A appears for the petitioner.
Item number 4.
Sexually is on legs.
See, from 4,
10.
5, 6, 7, 8. I have argued the matter. Now 9 and 10 is left, Lordship. So far is item number 4 and 5 is concerned. This is termination without approval, Lordship. And now item number 6 and 7, Lordship. That is termination has already been set aside by the director. Now item number 9 and 10, Lordship. This is, there is no termination and no substitution also. So here the documents which I am relying, that they are the teachers and this is the founder teacher, Lordship.
What is your grievance or what is your prayer in 9 and
Here
10?
salary, they are not giving the salary,
salary.
Lordship, because
My lord, my only difficulty is if my friend wants to proceed, he can proceed, but I'm being led by Miss Sandy Shulai, my lord, and he's on legs. So, my lord, that is, otherwise my friend can finish his argument, my lord. We can reply on the next date,
Yes.
if that can be.
here, Lordship, I am relying the same documents, Lordship.
Okay. 9. So you'll start with 9 now.
9, Lordship.
You have to refresh the quote on the facts, Mr. Sheikh. What are the facts of this case?
Here, Lordship, from item number 4 to 10, Lordship,
Yes.
they are the teachers of Garudubi Higher Secondary School. Some of them are working in secondary schools and some were working in higher secondary section, Lordship.
Yes.
Now in the year 2017, Lordship, the salary was enhanced from 10,000 to 20,000 for secondary and so far as higher secondary is concerned, the salary was enhanced from 12,000 to 24,000. Now, after the enhancement of the salary, the principal cum secretary, he was not distributing the salary as per the rate sanctioned by the government. Now, which led to the petitioner teacher hearing lodging a complaint before the authorities. In fact, prior to that also they have filed application before the principal cum secretary asking for genuine salary. That they were not done. Compelling the petitioners hearing, all the teachers, they lost a complaint before the district school education officers. Based on the complaint, now Lordship, prior to that also there was some anomalies with regard to the funds, misappropriation of funds of the school. Then the management of the school was taken over by the government. Now the school was run by the administration. During that period, the salary was credited from the office of the respondents directly into the account of the petitioners here in Lordship. Here, which led to the termination of several teachers during the year 2018 Lordship. Now the principal cum secretary in connivance with the DSEO, that Mr. B.G. Momin, who was at that time, he manufactured some documents and some of the documents, they got approval from the DSEO and that they were issued, but the termination was effected without any approval from the government. That is the first two cases, Lordship. Now second two cases, Lordship, 6 and 7, the principal cum secretary has terminated those teachers on the ground that they were serving in two different schools, one in Meghalaya and one is Assam. Without any show cause, without any opportunity, they were terminated. That the latter two teachers, termination was challenged before the director and director set aside. Now another set of teachers, Lordship, now found that his degree was fake. Government also sent for verification. Even the principal cum secretary also sent for. My lord, I think most probably I have to, in order to refresh the memory of this court, Lordship, I have to go one by one, Lordship, just from the item number 4, because it has been argued before the vacation.
Yes.
So I'll just seek one on the next date. I'll do it on next week, Lordship. Because
you see, Mr. Sheikh, we have to be mindful that this is a 2018
18 matter. Otherwise, Lordship, 9 and 10 is okay. I'm ready, Lordship.
You start with 9 and 10.
9 and 10, yes, Lordship. My lord will find the appointment order, Lordship. That is at page 14.
Yes.
That appointment was issued by the secretary cum headmaster, Lordship. Dated 12 March 2000, Lordship.
Yes.
12 March 2000. Then, Lordship, this is the joining. Next page. Now, what I have reiterated, what I have submitted just now, Lordship, because the problem started for non-payment of due salary to the teachers. Now, 16 is the page where all the teachers write a letter to the principal cum secretary, please give us our salary. Because whenever this salary, this type of school, Lordship, the government is to give the salary into the account of the school, Lordship, not the individual account, Lordship. So whenever the salary is being paid to the school's account, Lordship, what the principal is to do, he never pay the salary on time, Lordship. and after few months he used to pay the salary, that too not at the rate given by the government. So that which led to the filing of the representation before the authority that please give us our due salary. Now page 17, Lordship. This is also another representation to the principal cum secretary. That representation was filed October 2016. These are all the teachers, Lordship, the petitioner hearing, asking the same, that please give us the salary.
Yes.
February and August 2016 for secondary section, and January, February and August 2016 for higher secondary section.
Yes.
Although the salary was withdrawn, but he was not paid to the teachers. Then they file representation before the authority asking for the salary. Now in 2016, Lordship, the salary was enhanced. What I have submitted for secondary section, earlier it was 10, now after the enhancement 20. For higher secondary it was 12, now after enhancement it was 24. Now the principal, the government has given the salary into the account of the management. Here also the principal did not pay the salary on time, which led to the petitioners, the teachers therein, lost a complaint before the district school education officers. That is at page 18, Lordship.
Yes. So there is a complaint by the teachers.
By the teachers.
Yes.
When nothing was happening, Lordship,
Yes.
then on 21st April again they lost another complaint, that's reminder petition
Yes.
to the office of the SDSEO.
Yes. That's page.
Page 19.
Yes.
This is the reminding petition, Lordship, against the principal cum secretary, and the subject we have mentioned, the action against the Islam Haq Chaudhary, principal cum secretary, Gaudi Songit, for obnoxious attitude with the staff relating to embezzlement of monthly salary of staff already drawn money for 4 months, that is September, October, November, December 2016, and humble request for recovery of misused money from the corrupted principal and pay to the staff. He withdrawn the salary, but payment was not made to teachers, that which led to the lodging of the complaint, Lordship. Now, based on the complaint, Lordship, now page 21, Lordship,
Yes.
is the order whereby the management of the committee was dissolved, Lordship, because of the embezzlement of fund. This is the same documents which I am relying in the.
Yes. This is order dated.
This is order 15/5/2017.
Yes.
Then, Lordship, another complaint, that is the next page, page 22. Here in this case, what happened, Lordship? That one person, Rashidul Islam, he obtained some RTI from the office of the government. And after the RTI report was furnished to him, he found that there are anomalies in the payment of teachers. Here the principal himself was withdrawing double salary, one in the name of secondary section, another in the name of higher secondary section, and one in the name of a ghost teacher. Then based on the RTI report, he lodged a complaint before the Director of School Education Literacy. Now the director has taken cognizance with the documentary evidence. Then inquiry was initiated, Lordship. My Lord will find the Constitution of Inquiry at page 25, Lordship.
Inquiry report.
That is the Constitution of Inquiry, Lordship.
Constitution.
Constitution.
Yes.
Who are the members in the inquiry committee, Lordship? Page 25.
Yes.
Additional Director of School Education Literacy, Joint Director, District School Education Officer, Sub-Divisional School Education Officer, Teacher Assistant Tura. The inspection committee shall conduct inquiry on so-and-so and meet at Rajaballa Police Station so-and-so. Accordingly, on 23rd/6/2017, inquiry was held, Lordship. The inquiry report is at page 26, Lordship.
Yes.
And finding, Lordship, I'll just page 26. I'll start from para 2, Lordship.
Yes.
The principal of the school, Sri Islam of Chaudhary, was absent at the time of inspection and in the school. Page 26. My Lord.
Please, please.
Yes. At the time of inspection and in the school, we were asked some of the when we asked some of the teachers, staffs, they informed that the principal was absent since last few weeks, whereas no information was received by the office of the DSEO about his leave application and station leave for his long absence from the school. While the inquiry committee entered in the school staff room and checked teachers' attendance registers, we found that 6 teachers' staff name and all were present and 2 of them in examination duty. In the same room, Vice Principal Sri Mokbul Hussain Sheikh was present. He informed that one outsider, that is Mr. Abu Hanif Chaudhary, who is the younger brother of the principal, is sitting in his chair, claiming as principal of the school. The then inspection committee entered to the vice principal's room, where we found Mr. Abu Hanif Chaudhary, the principal's brother, is there. When additional director of school education and literacy asked him about his identity, he introduced him as vice principal of the school. Later, he has shown a copy of a letter which is doubtful, and at the same time, he is running another school, Al Amin Sonso, nearby. As per the office records of DSEO, resolution approval of reinstatement of Sri Abu Hanif Chaudhary as vice principal is not available as claimed by him. His name is not appear in the pay statement of the staff. Hence, his identity as vice principal is not known by the department. He later started shouting to us. Magistrate on duty requested him not to shout, instead cooperate with the committee members for the entire process of inquiry. Some of the staffs were busy for video recording from Android mobile phones. While on the inspection committee member asked one of the Android phone video record about his identity, he introduced himself as Abu Bakr Chaudhary, who is the son of the principal, working an assistant librarian of the school. Committee members inquired about library and stock register of the books, but nothing is available in the records. There is no post of librarian in any government school of Meghalaya. Hence, committee members could not ascertain from where he is drawing salary as an assistant librarian in government-aided school. My Lord, here, that is the problem, Lordship. Although there is no post, what they do, Lordship, he deducts some substantial amount from the teacher's salary and is to distribute to the teacher's, Lordship. When asked about identity of another Android mobile video recorder, he introduced him as Salim Chowdhury, close related to the principal. That is also nephew of the principal. As the LD of the school, we asked him to show the acquittance registers of teachers' payment, student registers of higher secondary section, produce book purchase register, etc. The LDA informed those are not available and all have been taken by the principal at Shillong. He says that all the registers and records were with the principal and he took away with him to Shillong, for which the reasons is not known. When we asked appointment copy and their bank account number from teachers and assistant lecturers, some of them were very cooperative and submitted copies of those which has to be compared and checked them from our office records. It is found that there are 2 lecturers in political science where there is no class 12 students, whereas government SS schools where more than 200 students studying have only 1 assistant lecturer in his subjects. One of the assistant lecturer informed that he is appointed as political science, the lecturer, but principal is asking him to bring certificate of philosophy, so he feel insecure in service as principal collected MA in political science. That is the petitioner item number 10, Lordship. He is having MA in political science. Now principal was asking that you bring, because principal also having a degree in political science. That is why he was taking salary from both section, Lordship, as a lecturer in higher secondary as well as principal in secondary section. Upon in further inquiry, committee found that principal Sri, this is very important, Lordship, page para 7, Islamok Chowdhury was drawing double salary, first as principal from secretary and assistant lecturer for political science.
Yes.
Political science is the petitioner in item number 10, Lordship.
Yes.
That is why he was saying that I felt insecure, because any time the principal might, because he was having the same degree like me. The first as principal from secondary and assistant lecturer for political science from higher secondary section at the rate of 20,000 rupees and 24,000. 20,000 for secondary and 24,000 for higher secondary. Inquiry team also found that one Samil Islam, assistant lecturer for education, is a ghost teacher. He never attended his duty and none of the staff had seen him. As per the payment statement, salary for Samil Islam drawing regular, but money whom to pay nobody known. These are the main allegation against the principal, that he was withdrawing double salary as well as he was withdrawing salary in the name of the ghost teachers, and he was paying salary less than the rate or the salary given by the government.
Yes.
It is also found that this is para 9 also very important, and how he managed to do all those things. Why? In what circle? Because most of the managing committee members are from his family. That is why he can do whatever he wants. It is also found that most of the members of the school managing committee are close relatives of the principal. It is his malafide intention to include all his relatives in the committee so that he can do according to his whims and fancies. My Lord will now the suggestion and recommendation below, Lordship.
Yes.
In view of the above findings, the committee would like to suggest the following points for the interest of the students, research and general public of Karadubi and surrounding villages. Sri Islamok Chowdhury, Principal, Garudubi Higher Secondary School, should be degraded to Assistant Teacher of Secondary Section. Vice Principal Sri Mokbul Hossain Sheikh may be promoted as Principal of Garudubi. Salary of genuine teachers staff should be paid through their bank account from the office of the District School Education Officer as per the government sanction until new SMC is formed. My Lord, para number 3. Salary of genuine teaching staff. Because he has appointed so many teachers in the school, his son, nephew. Now, who are the genuine teachers? Now the recommendation says that you pay the salary to the genuine teachers only, not the others. Principal Sri Islamok Chaudhary should be refunded his misappropriated amount for which he had withdrawn double salary and the salary drawn in the name of Samiul Islam, a ghost teacher. Skill Managing Committee should be constituted as per the guidelines given by the department, and general meeting will be called as per direction from the DSEO. And during the general meeting, video recording will be done and general public guardian parents will be called in the general meeting. Now these are all these signatories. The signatories are from Education Department, the officer of the district lordship. Now next page 30.
Yes.
This is the direction given by the DC in pursuance of the recommendation given by the inspection committee lordship, that inquiry committee.
Yes.
He just reiterated the same and asked the district below down lordship.
Yes.
Henceforth, the district school education officer is hereby directed to initiate action as per points indicated for smooth functioning of the schools. There are 5 recommendations. Apart from 5, there are 5 recommendations. Out of 5, 3 and 4 are important for this teacher's lordship. 3 is more important. Salary is to be paid to the genuine teachers.
Yes.
Now, so far as other recommendation is concerned, lordship, I am not going to whether the principal was degraded or not. That some of the action has been taken by the government.
Yes.
Now, lordship will find page 35, Annex 3.
Yes.
This is the salary for the period of 1st June 2017 to 31st June 2017.
Yes.
1st June 2017, 31st August 2017.
Salary statement
Salary statement.
will effect from 1st June.
1st June. Then, my lord, next page till 31st December 2017, lordship. 1st June 2017 to 31st December 2017.
Yes.
My lord will find his name at serial number 3, lordship.
This is petitioner in 9.
Yes, lordship. And the petitioner in 10, lordship, will find that the below table, lordship.
Yes.
Serial number 4, lordship.
Yes.
For petitioner number 10, lordship, it will be from 1st March 2017 to 31st December 2017.
Yes.
I am relying the same document, lordship. That is why I am referring the petition number 10 also. But 4, then 1/3/2017 to 31st/5/2017. Again 1/6/2017 to 31st/8/2017. Next page is the same payment statement, lordship.
Okay.
That is from 1st September to 31st. So the recommendation says that find out the genuine teachers and credit the salary. Don't give the salary into the account of the management. You credit from the office of the respondent, that is the government. Now, who are the genuine teachers as per the list, Lordship? In the first column, Lordship, out of 4, Lordship, I.H. Chaudhary, my Lord will see.
Yes.
This is for payment statement for secondary. He has not provided his bank account because since there is an allegation against him for drawing double sale, that is why his salary was not paid from the government. So far as other teachers is concerned, serial number 2, 3 and 4, the account number given by the teachers and the salary were paid as per the rate fixed by the government. Now again, the second column, Lordship, this is for higher secondary section. My Lord will find I.H. Chaudhary.
Yes.
Here he is assistant teacher.
Okay.
And so far as other teachers is concerned, Lordship, whatever due entitlement they paid. Now, Lordship, till 31st December 2017, their salary is paid by the government. Now, in February 2018, Lordship, Mr. Bizi Momin, the DSEO,
Yes.
he became the SDSEO of Tura district, Lordship. Now, on assuming the charge, Lordship, what he was doing, first what he did, the managing committee which was dissolved in 2017, Lordship, he restored back the managing committee to him. One of the recommendation was that the government should demote him to the assistant teacher and one vice principal should be promoted to the principal. Government has acted on it. On assuming the charge of DSEO, again he has undone. He revoked the order. Thereby, restored the managing committee as well as restored the post of principal to Islam Haq Chaudhary. That is at page page 37, Lordship.
Page 37.
Page 37 is the restoration his post or reinstatement to the post of principal.
Order dated.
That is 8 March 2018. My lord, the below down will be my second para. The letter number so and so dated 8 September 2017, the degradation of Islam Haq Chaudhary from the principal to assistant teacher and Sri Maqbul Hossain Sheikh promoted to the post of principal is hereby treated as cancelled with immediate effect. That the one of the recommendation he has set aside.
Does he have the power to pass this order?
My lord,
Or
He
director has to?
he does not have the power. He does not have the power because even the management committee was dissolved by the director on the recommendation given by the director, and assuming his office within a few days he has undone everything. Now lordship will find why they are claiming one of the assistant teacher in the school or the genuine teachers of the school. My lord will find the chart 41. This is the pay statement and filled up by whom? 41, Lordship. This is for secondary section.
Yes.
This is very important, Lordship, this one. These are the documents relates prior to the tussle between the management and the
Yes.
teachers, Lordship.
Yes.
Pay statement of Garudubi secondary so-and-so for secondary section so-and-so with effect from 1st March 2016 to 31st May 2016. And by order number DSL, this is the sanction order issued by the DSL. Also, they used to refer that letter. Then, when government sanction the salary, the school authority has to prepare the pay statement. That yes, these are the teachers of my school. They submit the pay statement to the government. Based on the pay statement, Lordship, the government is to credit the salary into the account of the management, Lordship, not into the account of the personal teachers, Lordship.
Yes.
So when salary was due, the government has sanctioned the salary by order number district director of school education literacy so on so 15/5/2016
Yes.
below, Lordship.
Yes.
So based on the sanction letter, the school authorities prepared this pay statement with the countersigned by the school authorities. They used to submit. After that, the government is to release the salary into the account of the school, Lordship. Now, who are the teachers, Lordship? As per the list prepared by the principal cum secretary. My Lord, this chart with regard to secondary, Lordship. I.H. Chaudhary, M.A. B.Ed principal. So and so this is before, Lordship. This chart was before the enhancement, Lordship. My Lord will find column 4, rupees 10,000 per month.
Yes.
That was prior to enhancement. 3 months salary was sanctioned, so and so to so on, 30,000 per. Now here, Lordship, column 3.
Yes.
Abul Kalam Azad B.A. B.Ed. Again, next page, Lordship.
Yes.
Next page 42, Lordship. My name appeared at serial number 3.
Yes.
Here also 2 months. October to December. Now Lordship will find below who is to approve, Lordship, and who is to forward at the list. Principal cum secretary, Garudubi Higher Secondary. That same principal cum secretary. He is giving the list of teachers that yes, these are the teachers of our school. Kindly release the fund in their name. The next chart is after enhancement, Lordship. The earlier chart 10,000 per month. The next chart is 20,000 per month.
Yes.
4 months salary. Now, when this salary was not released to the teachers as per the rate given by the government, then the problem has started, Lordship.
Yes.
(43), Lordship. Page 43, 1st January 2017 to 28 February 2017.
Yes.
It is not a case that he has submitted all these charts in one day. No, Lordship. Whenever the government sanctions the amount, he has to prepare the chart. And the date of the chart is different, Lordship. Here also the name of the petitioner appeared at serial number 3. Here for 2 months, 2020, 40,000 per heads. This is with regard to the petitioner item number 9.
Okay.
Now, so from March 2017 till 31st December 2017, this period, Lordship, from March 2017 to December 2017, this salary has been credited directly from the office of the DSEO. Now, 2017,
Yes.
salary has been cleared, Lordship. Now, page 44 is the order, Lordship, whereby the petitioner was deputed to undergo the B.Ed course from government quota, Lordship.
Legible copy.
My lord, we have not typed this one, Lordship.
No, yes. 48.1.
His name appeared at page
No,
48.
No, this document at page 44
Yes, Lordship.
is not legible.
Yes, Lordship. This is not typed, Lordship.
Type copy is this 48?
No, Lordship, no. 48 is the list of the teachers who were.
No. I think it's the same.
My lord, this is a continuation, Lordship. Page 44 till page 48.
Yes,
Is
but
the-
48.1, I think 48.1 is your type copy.
48:1.
48.
My lord, this.
This one. Yes, it ends still agreement.
Yes, Lordship.
No, 48. You look like agreement is page 46.
46, Lordship.
Then next 47. Yes, I think. Yes. Please continue.
My lord, here 2009, Lordship,
Yes.
he was deputed to undergo B.Ed training. And that is the agreement is at page 46. Agreement between the managing committee and the teachers, Lordship, that is petitioner.
Yes.
This is called deputation, through deputation, Lordship. Now these are the list who are the teachers were selected for page 47, Lordship. This list contains the teachers of different school, Lordship.
Yes.
Now altogether, Lordship will find 24 teachers were there and serial number 19, page 48, Lordship.
Yes.
Abul Kalam Azad, assistant teacher, Gardubi Higher Secondary School, Lordship. CTE Tura, where he has to undergo the B.Ed training, CTE Tura, Lordship. This is the order issued by the Direct Higher and Technical Education. Now again there is a release order, Lordship. After completion of his B.Ed training, he was released by the College of Teachers Education Tura, serial number 18, Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
After that, he has joined. Why I am showing all those documents, Lordship? Because they are saying that he is not a sanctioned teacher.
Yes.
He is not a sanctioned teacher. The sanctioned teacher is the daughter of the principal.
Yes.
Now the person who has gone for training like B.Ed course
Yes.
through the deputation, and he has got the salary from the government. During the course of deputation, the deputed teacher is to get the full salary from the government, Lordship. Now, subsequently, when the tussle between the management as well as the teachers was going on, what they are saying that no, you are an additional teacher, you are not a sanctioned teacher, despite having all those documents to prove that he was a sanctioned teacher. Now, my lord, there is an affidavit filed by the government. There are two affidavits filed by this government. Here one affidavit is 25 July 2019. My lord, got it, my lord? 25 July 2019.
$25 or $27?
My lord, it's in filing date mentioned as 25, lordship. This is government affidavit filed by the respondent 1 to 3.
Yes.
That that deponent is Srimati Cyril J. Sangma.
That's not the one. J. Sangma.
Yes, lordship.
Srimati Cyril J. Sangma.
Yes, lordship. J.
The additional affidavit.
This is an additional affidavit, not the counter affidavit. Why I am saying, lordship? Because
Yes.
the chart which I have relied, lordship,
Yes.
it says that from December 2017, the salary has been cleared, lordship.
Yes.
Now, lordship will find para 4, lordship,
Yes.
and prior to that I can read para 3, lordship.
Yes.
My lord, para 3, it is submitted that the writ petitioner is very well aware of the fact that the state respondent through its office of the Director of School Education Literacy sanctioned the grant in aid, which is then released to the account of the concerned school through the principal secretary of the school managing committee by the district school education officer, which is why the writ petitioner has made clear allegation of non-payment of salary against the principal cum secretary of the school managing committee. It is also submitted that the payment of salary or the grant in aid of the teachers in government aided school is made by the principal / secretary of the school managing committee. Therefore, the transaction of payment of salary or otherwise non-payment is an issue between the school managing committee and the teacher of the concerned school. As the state government is only the sanction releasing authority, the humble deponent also most humbly herein submits that at times due to some unavoidable technical and genuine reasons, there may be a delay in the sanction release of the salary. That it is submitted that the instant matter came up before this honorable court on 18/6/2019, wherein it was averted that the salary of the writ petitioner has not been released since March 2018, and the state respondent was held responsible for the alleged non-payment of salary. On hearing this, the honorable court was pleased to pass the order dated so and so, directing the state respondent to apprise the court with regard to this release of the salary of the teachers. Now, para 6, Lordship.
Yes.
That in compliance to this direction dated so and so, the humble deponent most humbly submits that bring into records that the following facts that with regard to this sanction release of salary of the writ petitioner is under. My lord, the statement of salary of Sri so-and-so, the petitioner herein, assistant teacher of Garodubi secondary school for the month of 1st March 2018 to 31st August 2018, amounting to rupees so-and-so, was released and drawn by the secretary of the school and deposited to account so-and-so. My lord will find the chart, lordship.
Yes.
The statement bears so and so. Chart, lordship. Chart also shows the same thing, lordship.
That earlier chart that you have pointed
This
out.
is a new chart, lordship. They have page 5.
Okay. This is for 2018.
2018, lordship.
Yes.
They have said that, government has said that the salary for this period has drawn by the secretary and deposited to the school account, lordship. Now this is for the period 1st March 2018 to 31st August 2018. Now next lordship, page 6. The name of the petitioner is serial number 5.
Yes.
Here also the period is 1/9/2018 to 28 February 2019, lordship. Here lordship will find in the remarks the salary has been paid to the concerned teacher through the check. So from 28 February 2019, lordship, the government has cleared, lordship.
Okay.
Now the due will be March 2019, lordship. This is the document given by the government, lordship, as per the affidavit, lordship. Now what is the response of the government in
So
the...
this amount you have received.
Yes, lordship. Because they have given in the check, lordship. Given the personal account, this not only, even the terminated teachers also, for the period they have worked, they got it, lordship. Here this is with regard to the secondary part, lordship, and the next item is for higher secondary.
So you have received this, all this, both these amounts you have received.
Yes, yes, lordship.
It's chart
Yes.
at page 5 and 6.
Yes, Lordship.
So now what is your...
No, my lord, now they are not also paying, Lordship. Because what they are contending that I am not a sanctioned teacher.
Okay.
So the sanctioned teacher is the daughter of the petitioner, that principal.
Okay.
Despite having all those documents from the date of my appointment till the date I was deputed, as well as from till the date I was receiving the salary from the government. Now because of the conflict between the teachers and the management, now he is saying that no, he is not a sanctioned teacher. The sanctioned teacher is XYZ. His daughter of the principal. The government also did not dispute anything, Lordship. Government affidavit, Lordship, will May 2019, Lordship.
Page?
Government, this is then counter affidavit, Lordship.
Yes.
Page 2. This is an affidavit filed by the P. Ringshai.
Yes.
He is the additional director of school education literacy and in charge DSU also. Dated May 2019.
Yes.
Now para 2, this is the abatement with regard to my appointment. This is they have reiterated same thing, Lordship.
Para 2.
Para 2 of the para 7, Lordship. Page 2.
Yes. Para 7.
Now para 9, Lordship.
Yes.
This is the complaint that, as well as the representation which I have submitted before the DSU as well as the
Yes.
District School Education Officer. Para 10, Lordship. This is the abatement with regard to the enhancement of salary. More or less, Lordship, they are not disputing my abatement in the writ petition. Rather, it is just they have reiterated the same fact what I have stated in the writ petition as well as what I have enclosed in my writ petition. The annexures are also the same, Lordship. They have relied the same annexure, Lordship. So, in this affidavit of opposition, the government did not say that I am not a sanctioned teacher. In fact, he has admitted. My Lord will para 10. I'll just read. That with regard to the abatement made in para 6 and 7 of the writ petition, the answering respondent stated that the state government by its notification dated so-and-so, dated 31st August 2018, August 2016, has enhanced the salary of teachers teaching in higher secondary school in the state from 12,000 to 24,000. Only with effect from September 2016. Further, it is also submitted that the above mentioned enhancement of granting aid as sanctioned by the government is regularly released to all the concerned schools and it is withdrawn by the respective secretaries. Therefore, payment of salary of the teacher is the duty and responsibility of the secretary thereof. Now, para 12, Lordship. That is with regard to the inspection committee.
Yes.
That in reply to the abatement made in para 9, 10, 11 and 12 of the writ petition, the answering response states that complaints against the principal cum secretary, namely Islamok Chaudhary of Gaudubi, with regard to misappropriations and mismanagement of salary of the staff sanctioned under government in aid to the school and prayer for conducting inquiry by the education department was received by the director of school education Shillong, following which the district school education officer byte number so and so was requested to inspect the school at the earliest and to submit a detailed report to the office. An inspection committee was constituted on so and so. 23rd 6 2017, the said committee conducted the inquiry and accordingly submitted their inquiry report to the competent authority as directed. My lord, they have annexed the copy of the inquiry report also, which I have read out earlier, lordship. That with regard to the abatement made at para 13 of the writ petition, the answering respondent states that it is a fact that in pursuance of the inquiry report dated so and so as mentioned above, the deputy commissioner by letter dated so and so issued an order to initiate action for smooth functioning of the school. Now, para 14, that with regard to the abatement made at para 14, 15, 16 and 17 of the writ petition, the answering respondent states that it is a fact that in pursuance to the inquiry report dated so and so as mentioned above, the Undersecretary to the Government of Meghalaya by letter number so and so dated so and so through the Director of School Education Literacy Meghalaya Shillong by letter number dated so and so directed the District School Education Officer West Garohi to show cause notice to the principal cum secretary and to explain why action cannot be taken against him. Further, the answering respondent submits herein that in compliance to the show cause direction, above direction, the District School Education Officer by number so and so dated 4th September 2017 issued show cause notice to the principal cum secretary Gaudubi Higher Secondary School and also non-compliance of the Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hills order dated so and so directing the District School Education Officer West Garo Hills to initiate action for smooth functioning of the said school. The District School Education Officer by so and so degraded the principal Gaudubi Higher Secondary School by number so and submit dated so and accordingly promoted the vice principal of the same to the post of principal. Now para 16, lordship. Now it is not that the government has not acted on the recommendation of the inspection committee. Acted, degraded, then show cause given, then promoted the vice principal, and some action was taken that you show cause as to why with regard to the misappropriation of fund. Now para 16, lordship. With regard to the abatement made in para 20, 21 of the writ, the answering respondent states that the then in charge of the District School Education Officer Sri B.G. Momin, now retired, after taking the charge, my lord will see, this is very important, lordship. I am not saying, this is the officers saying, lordship. After taking the charge of District School Education Officer by dated 8 March, reinstated the Islamok Chaudhary to the post who had earlier degraded to the post of, and also reinstated the managing committee of the so-and-so by letter so and so. He was degraded, managing committee also dissolved. Now moment.
This is just a statement of fact.
My lord, this is a...
It never said what happened after this.
Yes, lordship.
Whether this action is justified or not, never said.
No, lordship. Now what I am saying, lordship, they have taken action, but subsequently, after taking charge, he is removing or the reinstating or the recommendation of the committee. He is doing what, lordship? He is just reviving the thing again. My lord, page para 20. That none of the abatement says that I am not a sanctioned teacher, lordship. Because they are not disputing that they are not paying the salary. They have already stated that yes, whatever the entitlement they have paid to me. That in reply to the abatement, this is para 20.
Who has said that you are not a sanctioned teacher?
This is
The government or the managing committee?
managing committee, Lordship.
Managing committee.
Now in my place, now they are showing that no, the daughter of the principal is the sanctioned teacher of the school, not you. But the daughter of the principal most probably were appointed after 15 or 16. And if there is a document of 2015 or 16 showing that the petitioner is not the teacher but the daughter of the principal is the teacher, that under what circumstance, what prevented the principal not to submit the pay statement of the daughter of the principal 2016-17. He has here also, Lordship, that in reply to the abatement made in so-and-so, the answering response stated that the Deputy Commissioner West Garo Hills on so-and-so ordered for an inspection, and as per the said report of the inspection committee conducted and so-and-so, the principal was drawing double salary as principal from secondary section and also assistant lecturer political science from higher secondary section. The Deputy Commissioner therefore on so-and-so directed the principal Sri Islamok Chaudhary to return the misappropriate money which he have withdrawn in the name of Samuel Islam Ghosh teacher as double salary. Further, in order to ascertain the total amount of double salary and excess amount drawn by Sri I.S. Chaudhary, the office of the District Skill Education Officer through its additional director have sent a letter to the Director Local Audit Fund Meghalaya Shillong to conduct special audit of the Garodubi Higher Secondary byte number so and so. Only they have disputed in their counter, that is the principal cum secretary, disputed that no, he is not a sanctioned teacher. The sanctioned teacher, these are the sanctions, that is why salary has been paid. That they are entitled for sir, not the petitioner here in Lordship. Lordship. Now the next item, Lordship. The next item is more or less same, Lordship. The documents which I am going to rely the same. Only he is working in higher secondary, Lordship.
Okay.
Higher secondary section. The same affidavit as well as same counter affidavit, Lordship. Same, Lordship.
Situation is the same.
Same. Here in this thing, my lord, in the inquiry report, the petitioner, he says that he was showing the apprehension before the inspection committee since principal was asking me to obtain a degree of philosophy, so I feel insecure because principal has also having a degree of political science. So anytime he might.
Yes.
Okay. My lord, here I am not going to read out the annexer, Lordship. My lord will find the appointment at page 13.
Here also they say that you are not a sanctioned teacher.
Here the principal is claiming, yes, Lordship, because he is also having the degree of political science. I am also having the degree of political science. But the salary the pay statement sending in my name.
Page number
Page number 13.
13.
And 14 is the approval letter, Lordship.
Okay.
14, my Lord. Serial number is 5, page 14. Serial number 5, Lordship. And below is the approval of the Inspector of School, Lordship, dated 2010-2005. 14. Below is the
14 is the approval.
below down, Lordship. They have given the on the body of the
Approve.
yes.
This is the receipt.
This is approved, Lordship. Approved. This is the memo number is given on the
Where's the letter of approval? There's no letter of approval.
now 15, 16. These are all the same complaint, Lordship. The facts are same, Lordship. Facts are same. Here also, Lordship will find the page 40, Lordship, the chart.
Yes.
Page 40, Lordship. Who are the teachers for higher secondary, Lordship? And this is the pay statement, Lordship. 40.
Page 40.
40, Lordship. 40.
You don't have to pay for 0.
Yes.
Serial number 1 is I.S. Chaudhary, that is principal, Lordship. Then Abdul Matin Akan, that is one of the petitioner. Sofikul Islam, that is also one of the petitioner. Ali Akbar Khan, M.A., that is prior to enhancement, Lordship. Higher secondary, 12,000, 12,000. Now below down, Lordship, will found the countersign by
You are in serial number
I am in serial number, Lordship, 4, Lordship.
4.
The next, again the pay statement, that is also, Lordship. This is after enhancement, Lordship. I am at serial number 4, Lordship.
Yes.
Here down in the 6th, Lordship, he has submitted the pay statement. No ghost is a, Lordship. This is the these documents were obtained through ITI. This is the ghost teacher.
Yes.
The allegation that principal is drawing, that the document shows that he was. So now the government has filed the additional affidavit, Lordship, that from which period they have paid the salary. That is the affidavit of 25 July, that additional affidavit by Cyril J. Shangma.
Additional affidavit.
Additional affidavit, Lordship.
Yes.
5 and 6, Lordship. 6, my Lord will find that my name appeared at serial number 5.
Para 5 and 6.
No, serial number 5. My lord, I am showing the chart, lordship. The
What is
content
that?
of the affidavit is more or less same.
Okay. Page 5.
Page 5, serial number 5.
Yes.
And page 6, lordship, serial number 5. Status of pending salary.
Yes.
My lord, number 1, the status drawn by the office of the during the finance ending so and cap court number due to pending court cases. Some of the salary has been capped, but so far as the petitioner is concerned, lordship, the teacher is concerned, salary has been released, lordship. Next column, lordship.
Yes. So you have received this.
Yes, I have received, lordship, till February 2019, lordship. Same, lordship.
What is the impugn action against you here?
There is nothing, lordship. They have not taken any action. Because
State
only
has not taken any action.
yes, no, lordship. Because the thing is that because we are part of the petitioner, lordship, because we are jointly filing the representation against the principal. We are claiming salary from the principal that due you give the salary whatever sanctioned by the government. Earlier it was 10, and for so far as higher secondary is it was 12. Now after enhancement 24. Now you give whatever the grant given by the government. That is why the dispute arose. Because we have jointly filed representation or the complaint before different authorities. That was the reasons for withholding our salary and taking a different stand by the management committee saying that no, you are not these sanctioned teachers. These are the sanctioned teachers, lordship. Otherwise, no action has been taken so far as the petitioner in this case. Now, if I am not a sanctioned teacher, lordship, now this is the document not prepared by me. This is the document prepared by the government as well as the principal himself. Now, if XYZ is the sanctioned teacher, then XYZ's name should have been forwarded for claiming the salary that yes, these are the teachers, their name. And government has paid the salary based on the recommendation given by the inspection committee. Find out the genuine teachers. Who are the genuine teachers? So based on the records, the department, district school education, found that yes, these are the persons who are the genuine teachers. Now the government could have released the salary in the name of Samiul Islam because they didn't find neither in the records nor in the school. So that is why his name was not considered and is tagged as a ghost teacher. And principal's salary also not released because he was drawing double salary. So based on the documents, the petitioner asserting that they are the genuine and sanctioned teachers, so salary should be released in their account, lordship. Now the claim so far as February 2019, lordship, the government has cleared. Now March onwards, lordship,
Yes.
we are party with them. That is the main reasons for doing such thing against the petitioner, lordship. Here also the government affidavit is more or less same, lordship. So I am not going to repeat the same, lordship. They are relying the same documents, lordship.
What is your prayer here?
Prayer, lordship, salary, lordship. And to till date, lordship, direct the respondent to pay the area and January to till date.
That means the government has withheld your salary.
Now I don't know whether the government has been releasing the salary to the account of the, what I was informed by the petitioners herein, the principal has given an undertaking, because the government is to release the salary into the account of the management lordship. So what I was informed by the petitioners, that principal has given an undertaking 2019 or 22 or 20, I think, lordship. That is why most probably the principal is releasing, that the government is releasing the salary to the if government release the salary to the management lordship, it is the responsibility of the management. They have to give to till date.
So see, so the issue is very simple.
Yes, lordship.
The issue is very simple. It's if the government can assure that the salary has been paid to on your account, the salary has been paid to the school management, then yes, it is incumbent upon the management to disburse that salary.
Yes, lordship.
If they have not done so, then
yes, lordship,
they'll have to answer for that.
Now, my lord, so far as February 2019, lordship, the records speaks that yes.
You have no complaint till,
Yes, no
till
complaint.
February 2017, 19. No
Yes,
complaint.
no complaint, lordship.
What remains here? Yes, Mr. Shulai.
Lordship,
Can you confirm?
Lordship, if Lordship kindly see the relief claim, the writ petition is for the period 2016 to 2018. So the admitted fact is that salary for that period had already been paid, Your Lordship. It appears, Your Lordship, post 2018, post 2019, Your Lordship, there is a dispute in the school, Your Lordship.
Okay.
There is a dispute in the school, Your Lordship, because the writ petitioner also, they have also admitted, Your Lordship, that the salary has been paid by the government to the secretary, principal cum secretary, Your Lordship. That is the admitted position. And Lordship, in one of our affidavit also, Your Lordship, an amount of 13 lakhs had been released to the management, Your Lordship.
For which period? For which period?
Lordship, for the, just a minute, Your Lordship.
If the government has released, then the direction can be given to the management.
Kindly have take
till
out
date.
affidavit of 470. Kindly see para 15. Abdul Martin Akon.
No, this is not the one.
The data is petition.
Okay.
They are from the same school.
Yes.
Our affidavit. Lordship, kindly bear with me. This is our affidavit. If Lordship kindly have the affidavit of 470 2018. That is the writ petition of Abdul Martin Akon. Lordship, kindly, that is the affidavit. Lordship, kindly have paragraph 15.
Affidavit dated?
Date, July 2019, Your Lordship. Para 15, Your Lordship. Lordship has got it.
Just one.
Para 15, Your Lordship. Internal page 4.
Para 15.
Para 15, Your Lordship, yes. And Lordship, kindly turn to page 5. It's a continuation, Your Lordship, to release the salary of teachers. Lordship has got it.
Yes.
Lordship, amounting to rupees 13,96,000.
So this is for the period till 2018.
Lordship, yes.
But he has no, as far as that period is concerned, he has no complaint.
Lordship, what I mean to refer to this, Your Lordship, because 13,96,000 had been released by the government, Your Lordship. Can you see, Your Lordship? And the principal secretary, Your Lordship, he returned the money of 3,12,000, Your Lordship. So so out of that, Your Lordship, to whom that money has been paid, Your Lordship? The school management has to explain, Your Lordship. However, Your Lordship, for the period from post 2019, Your Lordship, because it appears, Your Lordship, in between, Your Lordship, there is a change of teacher, Your Lordship. So I would like to have the detailed instruction, Your Lordship, as to which person, Your Lordship, the salary had been given, Your Lordship, post 2019, Your Lordship.
Post 2019.
Post 2019, because the admitted file, Your Lordship, so far 2016 to 19, Your Lordship, they have received the salary. Post 2019, Your Lordship, as I have submitted, Your Lordship, in between, Your Lordship, there is a change. I do not know, Your Lordship. There is a change of teacher, Your Lordship.
And some of the writ petition have been amended, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship. That is
to incorporate this.
yes, that is
So I'll have to get the detailed instruction, Your Lordship, because after all, Lordship, this is a public money, Your Lordship. It cannot just go to Mr. So and so, Your Lordship.
Yes, exactly.
It cannot be, Your Lordship.
they can have.
And if we have released the money to the management, Your Lordship, and then the management should be fastened with the liability, Your Lordship.
Who's appearing for management? So when do we have it, Mr.
Lordship, because this is for the period 2019. Now we are in 26, Your Lordship. So, Lordship, kindly allow us a reasonable time, Your Lordship. If
So
Lordship,
you file a status report then?
Lordship, if Lordship kindly have this matter on 19. 19.
Okay.
My Lord, I have concluded my submission. I'll file my written submission. Yes. Yes, I'll file my written submission also. So far other matter is concerned, Lordship.
Lordship, because on the...
But according to your prayer and according to what you have submitted, you have no grievance.
My Lord, till date.
Because till 2019 you said all the areas have been cleared.
My Lord, my prayer is till date, Lordship. Till date means that will continue, Lordship.
In one of the
till date, because I cannot file a case for a period.
Yes, of course.
My Lord, that is why till date. That is so long as the writ is surviving, Lordship. That prayer that will.
Anyway, they will file the
Yes,
status report.
Lordship, so far there is a one repetition, Your Lordship, the requirement, one doesn't have the mathematics, Your Lordship, the essential qualification. That also I'll place, Your Lordship,
yes,
on the next date, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. Sheikh Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who has concluded his hearing, his argument. The Learned Counsel has prayed that he may be allowed to file written argument. Pray aloud. Next, Mr. Ndishulai Learned AG, along with Mr. has submitted that he may be allowed to file a status report as regard the sanction or sanction and disbursement of salary of the concerned teachers from the year 2019 to 2019.
Yes, 2019, Your Lordship. From the official record, it will be clear, Your Lordship.
From the year 2019 till date. Accordingly, let this status report be filed by way of an additional affidavit. as prayed for. This is matter for,
Let come on 19, Your Lordship.
on 19th.
Lordship.
Highly
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 11.
To get 19. Did you get this? This on 19.
Lords, these are those forest lease matters. My lords had heard us at some length earlier, but it's been a while, so we'll probably, I don't know.
Yes, you
my
have
lords,
to refresh the court again.
My lords. Sometime next week, my lords, if it's convenient to my lords.
On prayer made by Mr. Kipol and Senior Counsel,
11 and 12.
seeking accommodation. This is matter after 1 week.
11 and 12, my lords, both.
Same order.
Highly obliged.
Obliged.
Item number 13.
Sekarang nulis sah. Sao kata funding?
My lord, in this matter, I'm seeking some accommodation. This matter may kindly come up after.
You will not have time.
Yes, my lord. Let it come up after 3 weeks, my lord.
On pre-made by Mr. This is counsel for the appellant, petitioner. This is matter of 3 weeks.
Oblige.
Item number 15.
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I'm praying for some accommodation on behalf of Dr. Musika, your lordship.
My lord, this matter is there is some urgency, my lord. If lordship, please just fix it tomorrow, my lord.
Not tomorrow. You may have too many on the board. I think tomorrow I have a DB also.
Monday, my lord.
Monday is also. I think so many cases have been fixed on Monday. 1 week.
Your lordship, 1 week.
Have you started your argument here?
My lord, this matter was heard, my lord. This is regarding that promotion, my lord, the constituted DPC to.
Okay. But status quo is there.
My lord, but the post might get lapsed, my lord. That is the issue. My lord. If lordship can take it up at
May
the
get lapsed, but
earliest, my lord.
if a matter is sub judice, so the court order will prevail
My lord.
on pre-made by Miss Letter Counsel for the pre-made by on behalf of Ms. Dr. Musika Letter DSGI seeking accommodation. That is adjourned. List is after 1 week.
Much obliged.
Item number 16.